we want to go ahead and get the Promoter Collagen Gel. I like to actually pour a little bit of it in a bowl with a facial brush. That way, it, you know, when you apply it, it's a little bit more consistent when you apply it with a facial brush. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet my brush a little bit. And then I'm going to start with one side of my face, so I'll start with this side. And you want to take the conductive gel and apply it, you know, on the forehead, around the eye, on your cheeks. I'm also going to be doing the neck. So I'll show you some movements on the neck as well. Alright, so now that you've applied the Promoter Collagen Gel, we're going to go ahead and turn on the device and then get started. Yay, I'm excited. Okay, so like I told you before, you want to long press this little button up here. And I'm going to be doing the flashing mode. Okay, and I'm going to start at 1. And I'm going to start with the flashing mode. So what you want to do is you want to start from the middle of your chin, and then, ooh, I feel that nice warm massage. So you start here, and then you glide it along your jawline. And then, again, from the middle of the chin, going out to the ear, and then we're going to do, oh my goodness, you can see how it's pulling on the skin around my eye. It's pretty, you feel it. It's not too intense because I have it at a level 1. And then again, you want to start, so once you've done maybe about 5 to 6 passes on your jawline, bringing it out and up, you can go ahead, let me just move my hairs, so you can go ahead and start here in the middle of the face. Let me just move my little hairs away. And then I can feel it stimulating. Do the side of your nose, and so you're going to bring it right here on the side of the nose, across your cheek and up to your temple. And then we're going to do, we start here between your eyebrows and work these on your level lines. You can start bringing this up and around your brow. You start from the middle of the brows, going up, up, and out, and then back to the temple. And you can actually see, look, see how that's making my my muscles twitch. They twitch. Look at that. That's not me. That's an involuntary twitching. So you want to do about 5 to 6 passes on each area of the face. And then now that I'm done with level 1, I'm going to go ahead and switch to level 2. As the Promoter Conductive Gel dries out, you can use a little bit of a hydrating toner, or you can use a couple of spritz of the Copla H2 Stem Cell Mist. Okay, I'm going to start again at level 2. I'll start at the bottom of my chin, working it across my jawline, lifting, lifting effect and bringing it up. Oh my god, you could see how it pulls on the skin around my eye. But it's a good feeling. It feels like a pulling sensation, and it may feel a little bit like microcurrent, but this does not work with microcurrent. It works with ultrasound waves, but it pulls on your skin, and it almost feels like when you're getting microcurrent treatment. So again, once you do, you start at the bottom of your chin and you work it all the way from your jawline going up. Then you're going to do the middle of the face, and you're going to work it right here on the smile lines. And you can actually work this on your lips. It does have a plumping effect on the lips. You can see how it pulls. This is such a powerful device. Okay, so I've already worked the skin for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes are up, then you do the other side of the face. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this on the neck. I'm going to show you some of the movements. You're going to take the Promoter Collagen Gel and you're going to apply it. So I'm going to do over here and then do my neck. Something you should know about the neck is you do not want to use the device right in front of your thyroid. Don't want to get the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is right here. You don't want to do it there. Okay, just FYI. Also, when you're doing your face, you do not want to use this device on your eyelid. Please don't. Use it around the orbital bone. You can use it right here, and you can use it really close to the brow bone, but not on the eye. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on my device. I'm going to start at level 1, and I'm going to actually start with the red LED light. So the way you want to work this into the neck, you want to start right over here below your jawline and start in the center, working it out, bringing it to the back of the ear. Again, you need to start right below the chin, below your jawline, out to the back. Okay, do this, and you start again, bringing it a little lower each time without hitting your thyroid gland. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. This is quite stimulating, even for the level 1 setting. I can definitely feel it here. Okay, so we're going to work this starting right here below the chin, below the jawline, and out right here to the back. Again, for the neck, for the other part of the neck, you can do is start from the sides and start right down here and bring it out, back, out and back, out and back. So as we start aging, our neck actually starts sagging, and it starts sagging from the back. So the muscles here start declining. So you definitely want to work this area to get this area firmer and plumpier. Okay? So you can start from here and out, here and out, here and out. You can also do from the bottom going up, from the bottom of the neck going up, up and out. Let's do the other side. Just apply a little bit more conductive gel. Again, if you need a little bit more conductive gel, please use some more. You don't want to use this device on dry skin because it'll damage the device, and you don't want to make this type of investment to have it break down on you because you know you're not applying enough conductive gel, or you're doing this on dry skin. So again, I'm gonna start right from below your chin and out and around, and then you're gonna bring it a little lower, out and around, out and around, out and around. And then you're gonna start from your collarbone going up and out, up and out, up and out. Again, when you're doing the neck, please start at level 1. I'm doing level 1, and I really don't think I need to go to level 2. I just think that at this point it will just feel too much, too stimulating. Okay, there you go. It was 5 minutes. Just for the sake of this video, I didn't do 5 minutes on each side. I just wanted to show you the movements, but you definitely can do 5 minutes on the left side of the neck and then do 5 minutes on the other side. Okay, so now that I've done both sides of my face, I can tell you that I do see a difference. Like, I see this area around my smile lines a lot more plump. Definitely my upper lip, you can use the device over your upper lip, and I definitely see a plumping effect. This area here appears more lifted and plump, and I also noticed that on my 11 lines and on my forehead. It just, it's definitely more plump. It's plump, and I feel like my skin is actually firmer. And this is just after one application. So the treatment needs to be done twice a week, 10 minutes total, 5 minutes on each side of the face. Don't do it more than twice a week. It's not necessary. And I'm going to show you how to do the neck. If you do want to do the neck and your chest, don't do it the same day that you do your face. It's going to be too much stimulation. So you can do the face one night, the following night you can do the neck and the chest. This device can actually be used on the arms for tightening and on the back of your hand. It can be used pretty much anywhere in the body, except of course when you do it on your private areas. But yeah, don't do the face, the neck, the chest, the arms, and the back of the hand the same day, you know. And when you do it twice a week, like I said, you want to do it 10 minutes each time. Maybe you can do it on a Tuesday, and then do your second treatment like on Thursday or Friday. This is great if you're having a special event and you want that extra firmness and plumpiness. This is good to do. The more consistent you are doing it, if you do it twice a week for a couple of, let's say 6-8 weeks out, you will see your skin firmer, and definitely wrinkles and fine lines will be a lot smoother. All right, so this is it for our tutorial today. If you are interested in the device, I'll have a link down below, and if you're interested in the products, I will be actually mentioning the products in the description down below. And yeah, if you have any questions, please contact us. You can go to our website, beautifulskinbycarmen.com. You can give us a call, and if you have any questions, any concerns about the device or questions about the treatment itself, please call us. We're here to help you. We'll gladly do so. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.